A&B Auto Body and Repair is located in the city of Gardena at 16220 South Vermont Avenue south of Redondo Beach Boulevard. We accept most brands of insurance. And if you qualify for free deductible, your deductible is given back to you. A&B Auto and Repair is a full-service facility. Auto repair, collision damage, cracked windshields, reupholster interiors, body paint, spot paint, engine and transmission repair and replacement and general repairs. Do you have a hot rod or a project car? We can help you. A&B Auto Repair is open 6 days a week Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Stop by on your way home from work and say hello or get a free estimate. Call us for details and information today. 310-327-2522. We are A&B Auto Body and Auto Repair.